To view security profiles in Surfy, you must already create these profiles. In Collaborator, Typology, Personal Security Profiles, we will be able to list the existing security profiles. We have the name of the profile, wire guide, wire holder, firefighter, nurse, a color, and an icon that can be viewed on the color plans and in the lists with the icons. To create a new security profile, in the context menu, we ask to create a new security profile. We put the name of the profile, Doctor for example. We're going to give it a color, blue color, and we're going to give it an icon that we can choose between the icons of Font Awesome, searchable in English, or the Surfy icons, in particular the Surfy 2 icons, which are the security icons, and on which we can have the doctor's icon, this one for example. I validate the creation, and in my lists of security profiles, I have my doctor who appeared. George's Clownet, for example. I have George's Clownet's file. I can modify it to add a doctor safety profile. I say, when I go back to George Clooney's file, he is indeed declared as a doctor in the security, and if I go on one of his assignments, George's Clonet is indeed declared a doctor on this post, and the set is lit in the color corresponding to the doctor. By centering the plan, we obtain all the security profiles in color listed on the left-hand side, with their number on the floor. When a workstation is shared by two different security profiles, the assignment workstation is striped in both colors. You can have up to 3 different security profiles on the same workstation.